Hello, so today we're going to use the MicroPro Grill. I finally got mine in, and it has the ProRing. So today we're going to try to make pound cake, and I'm going to follow the recipe that Tupperware provided for this to make the pound cake. But a little bit about the grill. There's two settings. And there's little, like, let me see if I can show you this. There's like a little symbol. Ah, there it is. There's a little symbol on two sides of the lid. There was that symbol, and then there's, if I can get this one to show up, this symbol. Well, so there's two symbols on the lid. One shows it being like deeper. So like this. See how it's set in? That's called like the grill mode, right? So that's the position that you put it into grill things. So if you want to grill hamburgers or grilled cheese sandwiches or any of the recipes that say use grill mode or the grill position, it's the one where when you put the lid on, it'll fall all the way to the bottom. If you turn it, it'll sit on top, and that's casserole position. So when we're making this cake, this pound cake, it's going to be the casserole position, which it can't really go deep anyway because of the ring, so it kind of makes sense. But just to let you know a little bit about the grill. Okay, so for this recipe, I already softened some butter, so I'm going to put it in one of our impression bowls. So you start off the recipe by putting, I'm using our spatula to make sure I get it all out of there, by putting the softened butter and a half a cup of sugar. Now you want to whisk this together for 30 seconds. You want to get a nice creamy consistency and make sure it's all mixed really, really well. And all that butter and sugar completely together. Now we're going to whisk in 1 egg at a time. But it calls for 2 eggs, so we're going to do 1 egg at a time. Okay, next egg. Pretty creamy. Okay, and now last you're going to put in a pinch of salt with a 3/4 cup of flour. This is where it's going to get thicker. You just want to make it real creamy and make sure it's mixed really well. Alright. Now, we want to put it in the center of the ring. I'm going to use my nice spatula to make sure I get all the batter out. sure that's pretty evenly set up in this ring. Then we're going to put the lid on in that casserole position and put it in the microwave at 50% power for 10 minutes. And we will have pound cake. Let's see if I can get the rest of this off. I don't want to waste any. Okay. It's nice and thick. All right. All right. Okay, so now we have it in our casserole position. So we're ready to put it in the microwave for 10 minutes. For 50% power. And then we'll be back. It's been in there, let's check it. Remember, it's hot. Ooh, it smells more like cake. Ooh, now you're talking. Oh yeah, we're done, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, that's good. So,
now we're just going to let it sit for about 5 minutes. Then we'll take it out of the ring, cut it up and eat it. It's been about 5 minutes. It's still really warm. I would say even borderline hot, so be careful. And we can try to take it out this way, or you can flip the grill. So you put the plate on top and flip. And then you just have to shimmy and work your way to get the ring off, which is non-stick because it's silicone.
better than your other ones.
And now we have pound cake. Look how nice and round that is. So we're going to cut it. Look at that. Fluffy, still warm. And that's it. We got pound cake.